Hi Kian, so how does it feel na part ka nitong inaabangan ng series na Sembreak na first horror nilang offer ngayon na Vivo?
Honestly, it's amazing. Sobrang happy at sobrang thankful ako na binigyan ako ng opportunity ng Viva na maging part ng itong series na to. Pati din si Direk Ronnie, shoutout sa'yo. Maraming salamat po. And I'm so blessed to have an amazing cast and crew to support me throughout this entire journey of being part of, Sembreak. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. And ayun.
And is this your first acting role ba or for
In terms of horror, hindi. Pero in terms of acting rin, hindi. I've been in many movies. I've also been in many horror films. I actually have an upcoming horror film called Pasahero. Kasama ko sila Yumi Garcia, Andre Lana, Katya Santos, Bea Benene, Luis de los Reyes. Very heavy yung cast. So abangan nyo rin yun, coming soon.
and how does it feel working with Direct naman po and with this cast?
Ayun, amazing. Sobrang supportive ng buong cast and crew to the point na kahit pagod kami, hindi kami naglalaglagan ng isa't isa. Binubuhat namin isa't isa to the point na goal namin, lahat tayo makasucceed, lahat kami makasucceed, lahat kami masaya at maging ma-fulfill lahat ng mga dreams ng isa't isa. Parang kay Direk, itong vision niya sa series na to, so ginagawa namin lahat ng kaya namin para ma-complete namin.
And ano po yung mga abangan pa namin sa inyo?
Ayun, besides Sunbreak, again, inviting you all to watch Pasahero. It's coming soon, cinemas nationwide. Besides that, just follow me on my social media accounts at I'm Kian Johnson, that is Keann.
And any big stars na gusto mo maka-work or any familiar ka puso or sa PA?
Marami nagsasabi na kamukha ko daw si Ding Dong Dantes. So,
Hawig naman.
hawig. So, parang siya yung parang top of the list. Pwede rin si Piolo Pascual. In terms of siguro love team or not love team, at least partner man lang na female, syempre Catherine. Crush na crush ko si Catherine or si Catriona Gray.
Nabanggit mo si Catherine. Crush mo ba si Catherine? Kasi maraming nag-action kay Catherine.
Yes, syempre, free agent. Ayun, so gustong-gusto ko na siya ka-work. Sorry, teka lang. Ayun, gusto ko na siya ka-work. So yeah, and syempre she's such a wonderful actress, so pretty, so talented. Syempre, who would not want to work with her?
And anong klaseng genre kayo or role yung gusto mo with working with Catherine?
Sorry, anong klaseng genre?
Role, Role and genre.
Syempre, kung pwede, boyfriend. Ayun, syempre, maging boyfriend, maging ka-love team. Pero at the same time, kahit ano naman talaga, kahit kapatid, kahit best friend, kahit basta I get to work with her kasi syempre I also want to absorb any knowledge I can get from her. I also want to learn in any form as an actor. Ayun.
And ito last na po, ngayon na-open collaboration, are you willing to work with Kim Tao? Kaya sikat na sikat sila.
Kim Pao?
Yeah, Kim Chiu and Tao Yuen.
Oh, yeah, definitely. May Kim Pao na ba? Last na balita ko, si Pao pa tsaka sino yung kapartner? Basta, kung sino man yun, okay. Bago na yung yung ka-love team niya.
What's wrong with Secretary Kim and yung
Sorry, what was the initial question?
are you willing to work with them?
Yes, definitely. Kuya Pao is such a wonderful actor to work with. Sobrang humble, sobrang chill niya kasama. Kaya I would love to work with him again. Yan, nakatrabaho na siya sa Marry Me, Marry You.
And thank you so much and invite everyone to watch.
Ayun. Again, guys, I invite you all. This is Kian Johnson at Playing as Timmy, inviting you all to watch Sembreak, the series on Viva One, starting May 10, every Friday. So ayun, dito lang sa Viva One. Kita ka dito.
Of course, in our cast. So now, please look towards the center of the room. Thank you so much. Ngayon naman po towards the left side of the room for the benefit of those over here. Thank you so much. And finally, towards the right side naman po of the room. Thank you so much. Alright, there you have.
Hindi na paniniwala niya sa ng Viva nila Boss Vic sa inyo, Jerome, and the rest of the cast. Yeah, Jerome, yeah, let's start with you.
sorry, anong masasabi namin dun sa
Yeah, o
Tiwala?
parang ang bongga-bongga the way ng pagpopromote ng Viva One nila Boss Vic. No?
Yes.
Kahit naman dito, di ba? O parang napakalaki ng project na to ng series na to.
Well, actually, kahit ako, overwhelmed din ako in a good way and in a bad way, na grabe yung binibigay nila. I mean, kahit sa set, honestly, laging may nagpapa-content, mayroong mga nag-video, behind the scene, sumasama sa amin everywhere, hanggang sa dito. Tapos yung ganito, sa setup pa nila, mag-set ng madaming klaseng content shoots, whatsoever. Hindi lang siya basta, para may for engagements, but syempre to give back din para ma-update yung mga tao sa social media, lalo na yung mga fans. And madami rin kasi kami na parang from University Book itself, and yun yung kailangan talaga. Pagsamasamahin kami to be together.
Yeah, okay. And the rest of the cast yan. Oh. Kasi kami, yung mga press na invited, no? Na-excite kami. Gusto namin panoorin ito kagad sa Viva One.
Yes, we're very grateful, syempre, kasi pinagkatiwala sa amin ni Boss Vic tong project na to. And we're very happy na kami pinagsama-sama dito sa project na to. So excited po kami na mapanood ninyo.
For the rest of the cast, June, okay, for everybody, sige, Hyacinth, Gab.
I also want to add on, just adding on, we are all for sure very grateful with how hard that they work to help promote this series. They're always working and thinking of really great and new ideas, so we definitely do deeply appreciate it.
Yes, really grateful and blessed na pinagkatiwala sa amin ng Viva yung project na to, especially before Sita with me and Haya. We get to work on our chemistry and really thankful na ma-work ko ulit sila Chris Rome, sila Aubrey. So, I'm just feeling blessed because sobrang happy and gaan namin sa set even though this is a scary show. Yeah.
Ako naman, I'm forever grateful to Viva for all the opportunities and projects na binibigay nila. And ayun nga, parang nasabi din sa amin na first horror series na offering ito, original series ng Viva One. So, ayun, very honored na maging part po dito na makasama ulit ang Univercada and makatrabaho si Direk, first time. And ayun, na makabalik po ulit sa horror. So, very honored, blessed, and grateful to Viva and to all the bosses.
Ako naman, on a personal note, bilang first time ko lang sila makasama. Of course, I also want to mention thankful din ako sa Viva and of course kay Direk for giving me this opportunity. But I also want to say, I want to thank the cast for welcoming me with open arms kasi without you siguro, or dahil sa inyo, mas na-portray ko yung role ko as your best friend ng mas maayos at mas makikita nyo yung pagiging close namin sa series na ito. So, thank you guys. Ayun. Actually, that's the main thing I want to say besides yung mga, thank you. Maraming salamat Viva, maraming salamat Direk. Maraming salamat sa mga fans sa inyong suporta. Especially sa mga bagong fans na nag-follow sa akin, galing sa Chris Rose. So, maraming salamat din sa inyo. Ayun, thank you.
Alright, let's hear from